Hey guys, I'm Jessica. Welcome to Jangalo. I came to Chalakudi for the holidays and decided to make pancakes. So stay tuned to see how I made them. To begin with the ingredients, we need 2 eggs, vanilla essence for the flavoring, and then some amount of sugar, about 2 to 3 teaspoons or however you want it. Then you require baking soda, then 1.5 glass of milk, some amount of ghee, then you require the all-purpose flour called maida, and then as usual keep in check with all the utensils, whisk, spoons and all that is required for making the pancake. I would also suggest you to buy a pastry brush, which is also called an oil spreading brush. I'll be using this because I'm in love with mini pancakes. So to begin with, after taking the utensil, I'll be using the 2 eggs that I took at first. I'll be breaking them and putting it in. And after all of this, I'll be adding some teaspoons of sugar. You can add as many teaspoons of sugar as you want, the amount of the sugary feel that you want to get. I've always wanted to do something different, like maybe try a new dessert or maybe learn cooking. Guys, I think it's one of the best things that you can do too, learning a new skill or coming up with new things every day that can actually help you to develop yourself. And definitely cooking is one of the greatest skills that you should learn. Since I'm staying alone in my apartment, I think cooking for myself is one of the biggest accomplishments that I can have. And for all the people who are going to college or staying alone, I would definitely recommend you to learn the skill of cooking. Whatever it is, maybe a small dish, a small dessert, or whatever it is, just try to cook. Just learn something. Just refer some YouTube videos and know how it is made, the recipe, the ingredients. Buy them, use them, experiment with them, and learn how to cook new things. Right now, I'll be adding the vanilla essence that I took before. You can add 2 to 3 teaspoons as per your comfort and choice, and then you can just whisk it, mix it all together. Keep the pan aside for a few minutes and then take the baking soda and add it into it. After mixing it all over again, add the milk little by little. It can be about 1.5 glasses or maybe 2 glasses, depending on the amount of pancakes that you want. Then after the milk, you just mix it again and again. We do this because we need to avoid any kind of clusters or lumps following in between. So adding everything little by little really helps in blending all the ingredients together and forming a paste together, like almost a very smooth one. As you can see the thickness of the mixture that we made, it's ready to be kept inside and covered with the lid of the pan. After lighting the gas stove, I am going to keep the pan and then put some ghee with the oil spreading brush, which is also called the pastry brush. So choose the type of ghee that you want. It can be of any brand. And this is just for preventing the stickiness of the mixture when we pour it onto the pan. So once you pour on it, just wait for it to get into the mold, to get into the shape, and make sure it's heated. And once you feel that it's heated enough, just flip it over. You can just see the bubbles popping up on the top. So I think that's a great sign. You can just flip it. And that's it. That's how your pancakes are getting ready and it's done. You can just serve it with your favorite dressing, maybe honey, caramel, or maybe chocolate syrup. I like using the 3 of them on different sets of pancakes because, you can taste 3 different flavors at a time. So that's what I love doing. I hope you like this video, and I think you can just do it once in a while, making pancakes, giving it to your friends, family, just enjoy some time. I did it in a very simple basis. You can maybe try adding different things like dry fruits or maybe some other kind of mixtures, however you want it. But this was just a simple method that I used. I also got reminded of dorakai, which is also known as the Japanese pancake. I checked the recipe of it and made it when I was around 8th grade or 9th grade. I just got reminded of it recently. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching it. Please share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.